and this topic is very helpful. Uh, okay,
Okay. So, ma'am, you
okay.
pay advance, some advance.
Yes, yes, I will. But how many rupees? How many pay? Yeah, rupees. Please tell me.
From dress, I make 700 because
700.
it's a designer. It's too much like with plazo, not only dress with plazo.
Yeah, but 700 is big amount, no? So 700 and before and I purchase this 1200 rupees material also. So 1200 rupees material.
I'm very happy.
You're happy?
Yeah, and
Okay,
very excited to meet you.
okay, okay. Thank you. I'm also. Okay, so since first meeting, so I would like to about you little bit, not much more. Okay.
Okay. So my name is Prarthana Sharma and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. I had completed my graduation and I am married. I have two kids and now I stay with my husband. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. Okay. Would you like to introduce myself? Because you know,
Okay.
but
Of course.
okay, Anisha, I'm from Maharashtra. Currently staying in Mumbai. I'm also mother, but my study very uncompleted. But it's okay. Now I'm learning English because I'm very much eager to learn this language. That's why I'm learning this language. Yes, and I'm YouTuber also
Yeah,
because
you are YouTuber.
yes, yes. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
because I'm talking to actually in my channel there I'm practicing. I'm talking to different people and I make conversation and that video I try to upload in my channel because I'm talking to different people because I'm trying to build up my communication skill and build up my confidence. So that's why. Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's
this is
great.
about me. Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's
So
great. Great.
why you nervous? You're speaking in phone in another phone, audio phone. Then
I,
confidently.
I
And
don't know why I feel like this means I first time meet you. That's way I
yeah,
think.
don't, yeah. You means you consider I'm your means friends. Yes, close friends. Yeah, because you in audio call you're there. You speaking confidently with me. Means close friends. So don't feel shy. You speak confidently because you know I know you know very well English and you also YouTuber and you also uploading video. You are explained there in your channel very well that thing maybe I'll not learn easily actually. So this is thing also very important and hard work actually making video with your son, with yourself, and then after that you read story and you explain there. This is also hard work, and you are doing that thing. My side, I'm not able to do that thing immediately actually early. So
This
yeah,
thing
you are
very
doing.
helpful me. That's why I do means I do this thing so my English improved too much. Like when I read story and narrate a story there. So yeah, that is my pronunciation very good after reading a story. So yeah, that thing too much help me. And when I make stories and other things.
Yes, and that your video in your channel, there is what your content in uploading in that video. That video helpful for the beginner who's there
Beginner.
starting learning English now. This that
Yeah.
video very helpful actually. They watch your video definitely they get motivated actually. Really, you are doing great thing. But you try to that video also upload and this type of also video upload. You can try this thing also. Yeah, because you are doing great thing actually. I like that thing. But some
Thank you.
people, yeah, they don't know maybe, so that's why they do not follow your channel. But you can both, you can try to both things.
I am just started. So yeah, people support me when they watch my videos. So yeah, they support me.
Definitely, yes, 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 yes. And then you making their video and your practice purpose, your grammar purpose, your reading purpose, you uploading, you making that type of video and uploading. So that is also practice part. And this also you
Yeah.
speak with different people. This is also a practice part. So you can do both are things. Yes, is
Okay.
that is though both are thing is helpful you also. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, great,
So
great.
you have any topic?
Yeah, you explain me. No, you have any topic you suggest me. I will try to level my best because you are now my teacher.
I am learn. I watch your every video and I learn too much. Means when you talk with people, so yeah, I feel when I watch that I feel like enjoying that time. I watch video and enjoying and learning new things. So yeah, that's very helpful. Like this videos, conversation video to people who learn English. Yeah.
Yes,
So
and if you talk to different people, so they are staying different place, and different kind of people, and you speak with them, so definitely you get there is in what is how is environment, how is their general knowledge, what they are thinking, so you get that thing also, So this is great thing. Okay, so you have any topic, so you can suggest.
yeah, say like I am role play tailor and you role play customer. So how talk between like you visit there and talk with me like I want to stitch my blouse, yeah, suit, anything.
Yes, yes,
So how we make conversation. So I want this thing.
definitely. Definitely, and I like this topic also. And this topic is very helpful for the ladies. Actually, a great topic. Actually, you choose the topic is great. Actually, really great topic. Okay, so you are a tailor and I am a customer. Yeah. So
Okay.
now I'm coming. Okay, in your shop. There is, yeah. So yeah.
So
So
coming ma'am
yes.
inside my
Hello. Good
shop.
morning.
Good morning.
Okay.
So
Wow, so many dresses here. You are what
yeah,
is so many
yeah,
dresses?
I am stitching all types dresses. Like if you want a dress and suit, salwar, blouse, only I stitch ladies dresses, not a men's. So what what would you like stitch?
Okay. Okay. Actually, yes, ma'am. I would like to teach here. So my one of my friends, she told me in your shop is means you are teaching dress teaching is great actually. So that's why I came in your shop. So please give me book in which kind of you have been teaching which kind of dresses. So please give me sample if you
Okay.
have any book.
So
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 yeah,
what you like is like suit salwar ya blouse? Which type you want?
yeah, that thing I didn't tell. I want to shoot silver. Yeah.
Okay, great. 1 minute. Okay, show. See.
Okay. Wow, this is a great actually design also great, and yeah, this type of I like actually. So this type of design in what is I don't know explain.
High neck.
इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
High
Yeah, neck.
neck.
Yeah, so this is good for me. This is design suitable for me. You can explain me
Yeah.
if
Okay. High neck design. Yeah. Of course. But
yeah.
you want a deep gala backside? Yeah. mm, Yeah. Full like without.
That
Yeah.
is because nowadays ladies are doing that thing. So I would like to deep gala, not yeah. So deep
o-
gala, and
Okay.
yeah. So this design, this dress design, I would like so much. I like so much. So you can
Mm.
uh, teach this type of. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yeah.
okay. So can you tell me you want to front design? Yeah. Only simple suit. How type you want? You dress.
Hmm. Yeah, actually, I have some dresses only suit type of top. Yeah, top and suit. So I would like to frock type of. Yeah, actually, yes. Nowadays fashion also. So yeah, I
Yeah.
would like frock type of. Yeah,
Okay.
I
Uh-huh.
take this material. So enough for that dress. So enough. You
Okay,
can.
so at 1 minute I measure. So how meter your cloth? Can you tell me? Because
Oh,
frog does need a 3 meter dress cloth. So
okay.
yeah, is your clothes
Oh dear, actually, I came first time and I had no idea which how many meter dress there is material available. So I purchased that thing and I take, yeah, actually, because first time I teach, wearing I want to wear a teaching dress. First time I'm doing that thing.
okay, okay, no problem, ma'am. So I have some clothes. So if you want, so see and suggest me. So I will add.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Okay, then you can do that thing. Which kind of you show me, and yeah, that is matching. And if you want to that thing is correct too, you can do. Yeah, only I
Okay,
want to, but you only teach good way. Okay, yeah,
okay.
perfect.
So I am also fashion designer. So I stitch good way. Don't worry. Okay, so, ma'am, can I measure like length and what how
Yeah,
means bazoo
you
all
can,
things?
you can. Yeah.
Okay, so you tell me how long you want length.
Oh, length is I think how many? How length? I forgot actually. Very long time I did.
Okay,
Okay.
for me down.
Four, four, I think, not 4 foot something.
For is frog days I think long ज़्यादा
Long.
means
This is long, so
yeah.
I think six will be better, maybe. But my size and length, dress length, how can so big? No, big for me. I think
Okay, I can
you can try.
okay,
Uh-huh.
you tell me I measure, okay?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
I write and baju how type you want like puffing yeah tight baju how you want.
Puffing. Puffing means
Puff, yeah, like
no.
here is puff.
Okay, okay. No, 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 not that thing. Only simple but long because this is a frock type dress, no? So
Okay.
long is good, I think, good for me, and yeah, so that's why I would like to long.
So you
Long.
want with plazo? Yeah, I make chudidar pant.
Hmm. Yeah, plazo is good actually.
Yeah, pant,
Plazo and
pant
yeah,
plazo.
plazo. And there is I explain. I told you in there is a hand. So if there is any not puff, but there is some design people lady.
Okay, cut.
Yeah,
I make any cut.
yeah. So, yeah, any
Okay.
cut. So I would like that thing. So if you have any design, so you can do that thing.
So
Okay.
when you want this dress, which date you want?
Oh, okay. So this blue one, yeah, blue one is great, but no, every time, always I take a blue one. I purchase blue one, but no, not blue. I like so much purple color. So here in purple color available, and I nowadays I don't have a purple color any dress. So I would like to this dress, purple color dress. So you can,
Okay.
yeah, I choose this color. Okay,
So
yeah.
okay. So I ask you when you want means which date you want like uh, which date you
Yes,
want
yes.
this? Yeah.
Yeah. So now around the corner, Dasara is big festival.
Yeah.
So I would like to that day I wear that day dress. So yeah. So at that time, that before means uh, Dasara after first day, before first day you can you can try to get ready that dress. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
I will
then
come
ma'am.
that day. Okay.
Okay. So ma'am, you
Okay.
pay advance, some advance.
Yes, yes, I will. But how many rupees? How many pay? Yeah, rupees. Please tell me.
You know, frog dress I make 700 because
700.
it's a designer. It's too much like with plazo, not only dress with plazo.
Yeah, but 700 is big amount, no? So 700 and before and I purchased this 1200 rupees material also. So 1200 rupees material and your fees what is? there
700.
is yeah, 700 is a big amount, so not any benefit me also. Please try to
I
now.
I
Mhm.
stitch with lining. So, ma'am, lining cloths are also double time I stitch. So it's that's way I ask. And means every customer,
Women
yeah,
you will
every
get
customer I
customer.
take the like this money.
But
Yeah, every customer.
please, I now I purchased material also in your shop, and then now I'm trying teaching also in your shop. So please try to discount little bit discount for me. Then definitely, and you teach is very well. So definitely, I will try to come in your shop again and again, and I will try to tell my friends also. So yeah, I will give you customer also. So please, little bit try to give me discount.
Okay, ma'am. So you can pay 600.
Okay, okay, no problem. Because
For
yeah,
one
you are
time.
there. It's your hard work. Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. Because you are doing their hard work. I know teaching because I know I'm teaching also, but another crochet design. So I know how is process there, and you are teaching. You are doing that thing. So this is hard work. So okay, no problem. I will give you 600. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much.
you.
Okay.
So so the you speaks very good.
Not good, but I have only experience, so that's why I try to, yeah, I mention here. Yeah, because I'm doing sometimes that thing. So I have
No,
experience.
I do too. I am making very nice dresses. Means I used to stitch like every type woman dresses, blouse, dress, means all thing, and very nice. Means every cloth. How many cloth I wear? So I stitch all cloth, and I love stitching.
Reality? Reality?
Yeah,
Really?
reality.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Oh wow, that's great. Oh, that's why. Okay. But it's actually this topic also great, and you are doing, you are teaching. It's a great thing actually, really. Yeah.
I still like actually I learned means I completed my stitching classes. So
Oh,
yeah,
okay. I also did think that thing after married and some, but not. I didn't focus there because I am doing. I had doing another work also. That's why I did get time, and it was my child also very small, so that's why. But yeah, okay then.
I don't teach other one only because I have no time because I have kids, little kids. But yeah, for me I do.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Good, good. Okay, thank you. Nice topic. Actually, I like this topic. Yeah, every time you can try to discuss any person with any person, any topic. So it's good for you also and your channel also. Okay, all the best. And you try to connect another different people. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
bye.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.